What's up guy, Khalili, and welcome back to my channel. So I got a quick video for you guys. Today I'm gonna show you how I made 100 bucks from user testing. As you see, this is the payment sent straight to my PayPal account. I got this payment from user testing sent to my PayPal. So if you are new here, welcome to the Online Hustles family on YouTube. Do me a quick favor to support the channel and support other entrepreneurs and hustlers like yourself is to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss any valuable content like this coming from this channel. As I do video like this talking about making money online, creating passive income, and working from home. So if you are also interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be part of the family. All right, so this is the payment sent straight to my PayPal account, as you see that I receive here. As usual, I'm gonna go right now and try to reload my screen in front of you because I just like to show proof to my subscribers here. When I go out and try something that worked for me, I will come and share with them here and give them proof to show them that this is working. It's a legit things that I'm doing here. I'm not like other YouTubers that are just showing you screenshot and not showing you proof. Alright, so I'm gonna go right now and reload my screen in front of you live, and then you are gonna see it. So let me reload my screen. Alright, as you see, I've reloaded my screen in front of you live here. So the money is still intact. There is it's real money here that I made. Is the payment sent to my PayPal account from user testing. So here now that I'm gonna show you and how you can go through user testing and start making money, and the little hacks that I use so that I can get more tests from user testing. Because if you don't know, people can go to user testing but they will take more time so that they can get their first test. But in this video I'm gonna reveal you the hacks that I've been using to get more tests from user testing and make more money. Alright, so without wasting our time, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So here is the website called User Testing. It's a trusted website with, as you see, from those companies from Facebook, CBS, Adobe, Alaska from Ford. So there is a bunch of company that is working with this platform. They are paying this platform to review their product. So on this website, what are you going to do is going to sign up, you take test, and you get paid. As you see, the test is not gonna go up to 20 minutes. All right, at least that's the maximum is 20 minutes from the test that you are gonna take. It's a legit website. I'm gonna go and show you how you can make it, how you can start working from this website. As you can see, this is my this is my page. Now this is, as you see, I have some good rating here. So this is the test that I just completed. I think it's $10. Yeah, this is the web for website. I just completed this one. They just paid me this money, and as you see, so it's a very legit website. There is a bunch of user testing website out there, but this one is the most reliable one because I've been working with them for a while now, and I've been making a good amount of money from this website. All right, a little disclaimer once again, this website is not gonna make you rich. All right, it's not gonna make you rich. As you see, you can get 60 per minute, like 60 bucks. It's not gonna make you rich, as I was saying, because if you just need to make some side hustle, to make some 20 bucks, 100 bucks online, this is the perfect place for you. You come here, you take some small survey, and then if you are suitable for the job, you go and do the job. Right? So as you can see, there is a bunch of tests, but as soon as you sign up, you will not see any test for yourself here. It will be blank for you. All right, it will be blank. But for me, as I've been working here, so I will just go and then see which is suitable for me. If I want to do this, I will go and then take this small survey and then do it and start making money. On this website is a legit way to make money online. After you completed your survey, if they accept you to do the job, then they will send you the test that you have to do. But before that, you have to take some interview. I think when you sign up, when you come here, you sign up your email, you apply, and they will send you an email by to get approved. All right, they will send you an email to get approved. You just follow the email, the step by step that you have to do. You follow the email and you do the step by step. When you got approved, all right, they will send you tests every day. Almost every day you will receive tests. You can go, you can making $100 from this website is easy. Just you have to be consistent. As you see, like this one is paying $60 to just go and take some live conversation, then they are paying you, and this one is paying you $10 just to go and do some like which of these options best describe your job, like to take some small survey, as you see. But there is something that the little hacks that I'm gonna show you here. All right, it's because there is a lot of people that are not doing this one on this website, like to start making money. As you see here, like in this site called devices, as you see, I don't have all those devices. All right, I just have my laptop and my phone. All right, but I put all those devices from my friends. All right, so I just put them the devices that they have. So as soon as I got tests from the other device that I don't have, I will go and do the test and then get paid. So that's the little hacks that you have to do here, because when I started, I just put my two devices, all right, my laptop and my phone that I have, and I spent almost 2 months without getting my first test, really. So if you also you are new and you just go, you sign up and you just wait here. By if you just have one phone, don't just use your phone, or if you have one laptop, don't just use your laptop. Go and put maybe from your friend or from your family member, so that you can get more tests to come, so you can go and start making your $100 a day easy. So as you see here, this is pretty much it. There is a bunch of tests that you have to take. This is $60 they are paying you when you take a live conversation. You know, you can make a pretty decent amount of money from this website, but again, this is not gonna make you rich. All right, this is not gonna make you rich. If you just need some side hustle, this is the best place for you. So that's pretty much all for today. I hope you got some value from this video. So if that's it, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and smash the like button and make a comment about if you need anything that you want me to do on this channel. Just put some suggestion on the comments below. I will go and read all your comments and try to make as soon as possible your suggestion on this channel. All right, so that's all for today. Peace out.